Delhi never fails to amaze you with its little hideout places to visit and especially to cater the foodies in the city. The treat, or Rajesh Khanna Ki Van, as it is popularly known as, is nestled behind Jesus and Mary College in Chanakyapuri, brings the love for the food and the love for Bollywood together in the most authentic way. The owner, Mr. Vipin Oberoi, is a die-hard fan of Rajesh Khanna and has devoted the entire van, its outlook and the ambience to him. The van welcomes you from far off with dazzling lights around the Rajesh Khanna's posters and his songs always on the playlist. So it's time to order something and to try the menu. I have my sister-in-law with me. Hi Reed. Beautiful, isn't she? So if you want some beauty tips from her, you can follow her on Beautars. Till then, let us just select the menu. We are having veg moncho and chicken moncho soup as a starter. The soup is great, thick, creamy, hot and spicy with a perfect blend of flavors.
What have we ordered now after soup? One tandoori cha and one chicken kebab. We are waiting for it and we are enjoying Rajesh Khanna. So do come here and let us know whether you like the food or not.
If you're expecting a fancy restaurant, this isn't the place for you. This is for young at heart, experimental, van food loving people who just want to have a relaxed time with their friends with Rajesh Khanna songs transporting you to a nostalgic era. There are a couple of plastic chairs and tables, although most people park their cars and have their food inside. The food is presented in a simple way: tandoori chop with a lemon and the chicken kebab roll with onion and chutney. The roll is as simple as it looks. Basically, a tandoori seekh rolled in a roti with no sauces, no masala. I would say it is average and might be good to order if you have small kids with you. The tandoori chop is really good. Crispy, non-oily chop, grilled to the perfection in tandoor with little spices. Hygienic and healthy food is the USP of this place. For the Bollywood lovers, we have got some special bites from the owner who got this van as a gift from Mr. Rajesh Khanna. रॉय जी, आप कब से जानते थे राजेश खन्ना जी को?
ये 1970 से जी मैं इनका फैन हुआ करता था। 80s में इनसे कांटेक्ट हो गया। हमारे ब्रदर इन लॉ के ब्रदर इन लॉ तो मिस्टर FC मेहरा, वो ईगल फिल्म्स करके मूवीज बनाते थे। तो परवेश उमेश डायरेक्टर से कजन थे। मैं उनको कहता था राजेश खन्ना जी को लो, राजेश खन्ना जी। फिर उन्होंने अशांति पिक्चर में इनको साइन किया। मुझे फोन कर दिया जी तेरे हीरो।
राजेश खन्ना जी ने कितनी बार विजिट किया है यहाँ पे?
यहाँ 500-700 बार जी, यहीं आके बैठते थे।
और उनकी फेवरेट डिश क्या रही है?
यही 40 डिशेज है, 40 में से कम 25 डिशेज उनकी सिलेक्टेड है करते थे।
उनकी फेवरेट डिश क्या थी?
उनकी तंदूरी वेज कबाब था हमारा, कीमा कोफ्ता था, पानी में बनाते, दिल्ली में एक्सक्लूसिव आइटम है हमारी वो।
और आप यहाँ पे हमेशा राजेश खन्ना जी के सॉन्ग्स चलाते हैं?
राजेश खन्ना जी खुद आते थे। वो नुसरत फतेह अली शाह की कहते थे वो लगा सीडी, मैं कहा जी सीडी यही चलेगी। राजेश खन्ना जी की वो भी नाराज होते, लेकिन लगाता मैं यही सॉन्ग था।
To see more such videos, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.